Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Amino acids like arginine and leucine connect through dehydration synthesis, and we need to find the exact groups involved to solve this biology puzzle quickly. Dehydration synthesis happens when a carboxyl group and an amino group react to form a peptide bond. We must identify which numbered groups in the diagram represent these specific functional parts. Looking at figure 1, group 2 is the carboxyl group of arginine, while group 4 is the amino group of leucine. These are the specific sites where the chemical reaction occurs. Removing atoms from groups 2 and 4 creates water and a strong covalent bond. This makes option B the correct choice for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush by checking groups. Trust given data to find the covalent bond.